Hello, I'm Robert. I want to show you how to put on, wear and take off a cloth mask. So, first of all, keep it in a paper bag or an envelope, like it's a big envelope. When you want to use it, take it out by the loops. Let's find the loops there. Just hold it by the loops. Don't touch any other part of the mask. Put it on just using the loops. Adjust it using the loops. Then the mask is there to catch any droplets from your mouth. So just as I'm talking, droplets are getting caught in the mask. If I cough like that, all the droplets are going to be caught in the mask, so they won't go to anyone else. And then don't touch the front of the mask. If you touch the front of the mask, you are taking stuff from your hands and putting it on the mask to eventually get into your mouth or your nose. Don't touch the front. When you are finished, and for instance, if you put it on to go into a shop, you come out of the shop and you're out of doors and you don't need your mask anymore, don't pull it down around your chin. That's very bad. That's not the right thing at all. Take it off like that. Just the same way you put it on. Never touch the front of it. And then you just put it into your bag again. There we go. And there's it in the plastic bag. And there with the, can you see the loops? Just there it is with the loops, all ready to be taken out again. And you only need the mask if you have to be within 1 meter of someone else, or if your local laws say that you should do it. And that's it. I've explained to you how to wear a cloth mask. So I did this video. It's so simple, but I just can't find. I did a bit of a search. I spent a quarter of an hour, half an hour or something. I couldn't find a video that only explained this. Very simply, how to wear it, how to store it, how to put it on, how to take it off. So that's all I want this to be about.